We are making an Italian dish you've likely never tried but will want to once you learn the recipe. Elena Davis joins me in the kitchen to share an authentic Sardinian dish near and dear to her heart. It's great to have you back in the kitchen after your summer escape to Italy. Tell us why this recipe in particular is so personal for you.
Okay, so we grew up eating this dish in Sardinia. So when we were there just this past summer, it's on the menu everywhere you go. It's kind of like the staple, and my kids order it all the time. We love it, and so we're gonna make it today and bring a little piece of that to you because it's Sardinia is so far away, right?
So local to that area of Italy.
Local to Sardinia.
Okay.
And it's because of the ingredients in the sauce. So this may look like an ordinary meat sauce to you, but there are a few just special touches that make it different and that make it Sardinia.
Elena's like, don't you dare call this an average meat sauce. This is not. This is special. Okay, what's in there?
So I have made the sauce already, and it is stewing.
Yum.
It's delicious. It's a great one to freeze, make ahead, all of the things. So it has some Italian sausage with the fennel. It has onion that we let stew down, and then we roast with the meat, and then the good quality tomatoes. And then here is a little special ingredient that you would not expect in a meat sauce is the saffron.
Oh.
Saffron. So saffron, people might not think it's Italian.
I think
but
it's Indian
is.
food.
Yes, exactly. But no, we use it in our risotto, and Sardinia is a large producer of saffron.
Okay, so that comes in at the end?
Yes, so this comes, well, it's actually been cooking in the sauce to give it lots of flavor, but I wanted to show you. It comes like this in threads, which you can soak in water and then put in, or it comes in a powder that you can just put in the sauce, and it gives it this special taste. And this has been cooling a little bit for you if you want to try just a little tiny bit to see. You can kind of tell already, but
no, that is distinct. There's a lot of flavor in there.
Yes. So all the spices, the bay leaves, everything, just make it really hearty and yummy, and it's kind of our culture. This meat sauce is, you know, Malloreddus. Let's talk about the pasta, because that is the other thing that sets this meat sauce apart. If you choose to serve it with the Malloreddus, which is a pasta that is so I stock up when I go to Italy and I get the real deal, but I have links in the recipe if you want to try the closest that you can find from here. But Malloreddus, these are handmade rolled little pastas. Similar to little gnocchetti, which is another name for them, gnocchetti, which you can find actually at most grocery stores. They're not gnocchi, they're little gnocchetti, and they're similar to
smaller
Malloreddus.
and textured.
Yes, they're textured, and so they can be longer, which is typical Sardinian, or they can be kind of fatter and wider.
You've prepped some here.
Yes, so I've prepped some here. It is just ready to go. So look at this. This is the fatter and wider that you can also find in Sardinia. Usually find the skinnier ones. These are easier to find here. And then we are gonna go right into the sauce here, and we're gonna mix it right into the sauce, the hot pasta in the sauce. Don't serve the pasta on top of the dry sauce. Mix it all together. That's a little Italian trick. I have a little bit of reserved pasta water in here that's gonna make all those flavors meld together. And I just wish you could smell it, and you'll taste it, and it's so.
Elena, thank you.
You're so welcome. I'm gonna get a little.
Your home in our kitchen is what we love, and it's what we get on your website. How can we connect?
So find me on cucinabyelena.com.
Thank you, lady.
And I'm on Instagram every day. Come find me, come say hi, message me, say, I just saw you on Studio 5. Can't wait to make the sauce. Let's make it.
So good.
Yes.
So good.
So make it all fall, winter. We eat it in the summer. It doesn't matter when it is, even though it's kind of a more hearty dish.
Well, thank you. Welcome back. We'll link you from our website. Go to the recipe page, and you'll find all the information. Thank you again.
You're welcome.